Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Acanva Pillow King, the Acanva Bed Pillows for Sleeping. A luxurious set of 4 king-sized pillows designed to bring that 5-star hotel comfort right into your bedroom. From the moment you unpack these pillows, you'll notice the careful packaging. They come vacuum-packed and rolled to ensure they arrive fresh and protected. Once you open the package, the pillows quickly expand to their full, fluffy shape. For maximum fluffiness, the manufacturer recommends shaking them out and occasionally placing them in the sun, or even a quick tumble in the dryer on low heat. This helps maintain their plush, cloud-like feel over time. The pillows are filled with a premium 3D down alternative polyester fiber. This ultra-soft, plush filling mimics the luxurious feel of real down while offering better durability and easy maintenance. What makes this pillow special is its ability to rebound quickly and resist deformation, so it holds its shape and provides consistent support night after night. Acanva designed these pillows to be suitable for all types of sleepers. Whether you sleep on your back, side, or stomach, these pillows work to keep your head and neck properly aligned. The filling offers just the right balance of softness and support, helping to reduce neck pain and relieve shoulder stiffness by contouring naturally to your curves without causing pressure points. The pillow covers are crafted from a breathable, skin-friendly microfiber fabric with a subtle stretch that enhances comfort and softness. The material is breathable and helps regulate temperature, keeping you cool and dry throughout the night. This cooling effect is especially beneficial if you tend to sleep hot or want to maintain a fresh pillow feel. Measuring at king size, each pillow is generously sized at 20 by 36 inches and about 6 inches thick, offering plenty of surface area to rest comfortably. The thread count of the cover is 400, which contributes to a smooth and durable surface that feels gentle against the skin. Maintenance is simple with these pillows, as they are machine washable, allowing you to keep them clean and fresh with minimal effort. The materials used also ensure the pillows are hypoallergenic and suitable for those with sensitivities, making them a great choice for a wide range of users. Overall, the Acanva Bed Pillows set combines premium materials, thoughtful design, and practical features to deliver a sleep experience that's soft, supportive, and cooling. Whether you're outfitting your master bedroom or adding comfort to a guest room, these king-sized pillows offer hotel-quality luxury at home. That wraps up our detailed look at the best Acanva Pillow King. If you're considering a new pillow that balances softness, support, and breathability, the Acanva Bed Pillows for Sleeping are definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.